Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing 2 healthy and dairy-free, kid-friendly milkshake recipes. No added sugar or dairy milk. Super healthy milkshake recipe, ideal for your little ones. So let's get started with the recipes. I have already soaked about 10 cashew nuts for about 15 minutes. Instead of cashew nuts, you can use overnight soaked and peeled almonds or overnight soaked raw peanuts. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in the soaked cashew nuts. Next, I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. Now, medjool dates are really soft and hence it is easily blendable. You can increase or decrease the quantity of dates as per your sweetness. If your dates are not soft like mine, you may need to soak the dates in water and then add it into the blender. I prefer to use medjool dates because they are very soft, easily blendable. Next, I'm adding in 1/3 teaspoon freshly ground cinnamon powder. Now, if your kids does not prefer the flavor of cinnamon, you can use cardamom powder instead. Add in 1 apple chopped. I peeled the apple and roughly chopped them. Add in 1 glass or 1 cup of chilled water. You can also add in some ice cubes if you prefer. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the apple cinnamon milkshake into a serving glass. Sprinkle a fat pinch of cinnamon powder on top. And my super healthy apple cinnamon milkshake is ready to serve. This apple cinnamon milkshake can be enjoyed any time of the day. A super healthy dairy-free and sugar-free milkshake, perfect for kids or can be enjoyed by the whole family. To make a chocolate banana milkshake, I'm using a very ripe banana. So the riper the banana, or if the banana has more black spots on the skin, then that shows the banana is very sweet and ripened. When you're using very ripened banana, you can reduce the quantity of dates you're adding in the milkshake. Roughly slice the banana and add it into the blender. Next, I'm adding in 3/4 tablespoon raw cacao powder. Instead of raw cacao powder, you can use ordinary cocoa powder. For flavor, I'm adding in 1/3 teaspoon freshly ground cinnamon powder. It's easy to make cinnamon powder at home. All you need to do is just take some cinnamon stick and lightly crush it and then add it into your small dry chutney grinder and blend it to a fine powder. And once you blend it to a fine powder, you can store it in an airtight glass container and it will stay good for many months. So this is how I make my cinnamon powder. I have already soaked about 10 cashew nuts for about 15 minutes. Add in the soaked cashew nuts. Instead of cashew nuts, you can use any nut milk of your choice like cashew milk, almond milk, coconut milk, or even peanut milk. I've already shared many different vegan nut milk recipes. Please do check them out. If you don't have any nuts or nut milk at hand, you can use any nut butter of your choice. 1 tablespoon of nut butter of your choice will be ideal, like peanut butter, cashew butter, almond butter, any nut butter of your choice. Into this, I'm adding in 1 glass of chilled water. You can add in some extra ice cubes if you prefer. Because there is raw cacao powder, I'm using 2 medjool dates. You can increase or decrease dates as per your sweetness. Medjool dates are really soft and it is easy to blend. So I'm adding in 2 soft medjool dates. And remember, if your dates are not soft like mine, you may need to soak them a little and then add it into the blender. And now I'm going to blend all this until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the banana chocolate milkshake into a serving glass. Sprinkle a fat pinch of cinnamon powder. And my super healthy dairy and sugar-free banana chocolate milkshake is ready to serve. So guys, do try this dairy-free and sugar-free milkshake recipes and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.